Every premium apple juice bottle begins with carefully selected fresh apples from the orchard.
Workers handpick only the healthiest apples to maintain premium juice quality.
Before processing begins, every apple passes through a careful quality check. Carefully collected apples are packed safely before moving to the processing facility.
Almost there. Set it down gently. Okay, this stack is full. Get the next one.
The harvested apples begin their journey from farm fields to modern processing facilities.
We need these reds on line 3 right away. All right, pulling the next pallet now. We need these reds on line 3 right away. All right, pulling the next pallet now.
High-pressure washing removes impurities while protecting the natural apple quality.
After final inspection, fresh apples enter the first mechanical processing stage.
We're showing a slight pressure drop. Compensating, the cuts are still uniform.
The crushed apple pulp contains the natural juice that will become premium apple juice.
The fresh apple pulp now moves into a powerful extraction system.
How is the pressure holding up? It's steady. The flow rate is optimized now.
Advanced filtration creates a smooth and consistent premium apple juice texture.
Every batch is tested to ensure the premium juice meets quality standards.
The juice is carefully heated to remove harmful microorganisms while preserving flavor.
After pasteurization, the premium apple juice waits for the final bottling stage.
The finished apple juice now enters the final stage, where it will become premium bottled juice.
Before filling, every bottle is cleaned and prepared for safe juice packaging. Sterilized bottles ensure every bottle of apple juice remains fresh and safe. Modern filling technology ensures accurate quantity and consistent quality in every bottle. Each bottle is securely sealed to preserve the natural apple flavor. Advanced inspection technology checks every bottle before it reaches customers.
The final identity of the premium apple juice bottle is created through automated labeling.
Strong packaging protects premium apple juice bottles during transportation.
Every carton is sealed and prepared for the final distribution journey.
After packaging, premium apple juice bottles are stored safely before reaching markets worldwide. Before delivery, every package receives a final quality inspection.
Finished apple juice products are carefully moved for safe transportation. Finished apple juice products are carefully moved for safe transportation. The journey continues as bottled apple juice travels toward markets and stores. At distribution centers, products are organized before reaching stores.
From distribution centers, premium apple juice moves closer to consumers.
The finished apple juice bottles finally reach the retail environment.
After careful processing and packaging, the premium apple juice reaches the hands of customers. The final product delivers the fresh taste created from carefully selected apples.
From a fresh orchard apple to a finished bottle, every step creates premium quality. Behind every bottle is a modern factory, combining technology and careful craftsmanship. Advanced machines work together to transform fresh apples into bottled juice.
Temperature is holding steady at 10 degrees Celsius. Pressure levels look optimal. Adjusting speed now.
Every finished bottle is tested to guarantee premium standards.
Only approved batches continue their journey to consumers worldwide. Only approved batches continue their journey to consumers worldwide.
From fresh apple harvest to premium juice bottles, every step creates the final product. Modern production systems transform fresh apples into perfectly packaged premium juice bottles. Premium apple juice begins its final journey from the factory to customers around the world. Our dedicated team manages the production, ensuring that the freshest apple juice travels directly from our factory to a store near you.
Every bottle begins and ends with the care given to the apple orchard.
The complete process connects farming, technology, and quality control together.
Natural's fresh apples become a premium beverage through advanced manufacturing. Behind every bottle is a combination of technology, teamwork, and dedication.
The line is complete. Great job, everyone!
From a fresh apple in the orchard to a premium juice bottle, this is the complete journey of apple juice manufacturing.